Good day to you. This is teacher Leland, Alejandro. We're going to do linear equations in standard form for this session. And we will have our examples after a while. So this is for Algebra 2A, and we shall have the linear equations in standard form. So let us go to the example screen. It should be over here. We shall start with the first number. We're here at number 8. Okay, here is the first number. Write the standard form of the equation of each line. Okay, here's the first example. Number 1 is 0 equals negative 6y minus 3x plus 15. We're going to write this in standard form. All right, we shall do this in the other screen, in the whiteboard. Okay, and we shall copy first the given. That's 0 is the given. 0 equals negative 6y minus 3x plus 15. There. Negative 6y minus 3x plus 15 is our given. We shall write the solution for this. Okay, so we shall start the solution over here using the whiteboard. Okay, the standard form is said to be in this way. Ax plus by equals c. Okay, this is the standard form. And it should look like this, with a, b, and c are real numbers. So we shall start from the given and transform it so that x and y term is located at the left side of the equation and the only number is located at the right side. So from the given, we have 0 equals negative 6y minus 3x plus 15. And as you can see here, you only have to move the 6y and 3x to the other side and have the number 15 on that particular side. So we can only start this way. All right, add 3x and 6y to both sides. So we will have plus 3x plus 6y and a 0. That will be at the left side of the equation. The right side, just rewrite it, negative 6y minus 3x plus 15. Okay, and so what we just did at the left side will be done at the right side. So we added 3x plus 6y on the left. So we will do that also on the right. So this will now be plus 3x and plus 6y there. So the next line will have the left side just plus 3x is just 3x and plus 6y. And plus 0, you can ignore that. And this will now be negative 6y and 6y, that's a 0. Negative 3x and 3x, that's a 0. And this is plus 15, so this is plus 15 there. So we shall have this answer, and we shall try to simplify this. We can actually simplify this. We have here 3x, 6y, and 15. These are all divisible by 3. Okay, we can divide this by 3. So as you can see, if you divide this, we should be able to put a division symbol there. You divide by the number 3 there to make the numbers smaller. And so the next line will be just 3x over 3, that will just be x. And then plus 6y over 3, that's 2. So we have 2y there. And this is now equal to 15 over 3, that's a 5 there. X plus 2y equals 5. X plus 2y equals 5. So this is now the standard form. The standard form, x plus 2y equals 5, and we shall be able to verify that in the other screen. X plus, there, x plus 2y equals 5 is the answer. That's the standard form. Let's now proceed to number 2. Let's have our second number. Here's the number 2 example, x minus 5 minus 5y equals 0. We shall do this in the other screen. Okay, let's copy the problem and erase the first number here first. So we clear the board, and we shall put the second number over here. That's x minus 5. The given, let's write the number first. The given is x minus 5 minus 5y, there, equals 0, there. Okay, so just looking at the example, it looks like it's almost finished. We just have to move the negative 5 to the other side, and it will be in the standard form. So the solution, okay, we have x minus 5 minus 5y equals 0. We shall begin by addition of 5 to both sides. Addition of 5 to both sides. So x minus 5 minus 5y, we add 5 here. There, that's the left side. And then the right side is 0. We also add 5 there. That's addition property. The purpose of this is to cancel out this 5, and we will be able to have the left side this way. We will only have x minus 5y, because this negative 5 is no longer there. It cancels out with our addition. Now the right side will only have 0 plus 5, which is just 5. And we have the standard form now. There. X minus 5y equals to 5. Remember, the standard form takes this form. Ax plus by equals c. There. And we have now this standard form. The x and y terms are located at the left side and the numerical value at the right side. So that's the answer. X minus 5y equals 5. We shall see that on the other side. Okay, we shall see that on the other side. So that will be over here. That's x minus 5y equals 5. There. Okay, so we shall continue with the next number. It's number 3. 1 minus 4y equals x. Okay, 1 minus 4y equals x. We shall do that in the other screen. Okay, we shall remove number 2, clear the board, and then our next example is over here. This is number 3. The given is 1 minus 4y equals x. There. Solution. Okay, standard form. We shall write it ax plus by equals c. It should look like this. So we will start with the given 1 minus 4y equals x. Okay, how do you plan to do it? We will just move this 4y to the other side so that x and y term are together. And that's it. After that, we exchange place and we're done. And this is how to do it. 1 minus 4y, we add 4y. And then we have x, we will add 4y there. And so you see, this negative 4y and this positive 4y cancels out to 0. So we will only have the number 1 at the left side. And the right side is x plus 4y. They are now together, but to write in standard form, x and y should be on the other side. And the number 1 should be on the right side. So we will just exchange exchange places, x plus 4y equals 1. This is the standard form. There. And that's the answer. X plus 4y equals 1. We shall be able to check that on the other side. X plus 4y equals 1. Is that the answer? Yes. X plus 4y equals 1 is the answer. Next, we're doing number 4. Here is number 4. The same instruction, write the standard form of the equation. And we shall copy this on the other side. So we go back to the other side. Okay, remove number 3. And here's number 4. Here is number 4. And we have the given. The given is negative 9x over 5. 9x over 5. There. Equals 3y plus 3. There, that's the given. Write this in standard form. So solution. The way to do this is multiply both sides by the number 5. So we'll get rid of the fraction. So we start with 5 times the quantity negative 9x over 5. And the right side, we also do that. 5 times the quantity 3y plus 3. There. And so this number 5 cancels out with this 5. And the left side will be just negative 9x. There. The right side becomes 5 times 3y, 15y. And 5 times 3, that's plus 15. Now, take note, number 9, number 15 is divisible by 3. So we can divide this by 3. Okay? So we shall divide this by the number 3. So if we do that, we shall divide this by 3. All these 3 terms shall be divided by 3. There. And so the next line should be negative 9x divided by 3. That's a negative 3x. And that would be equal to 15 over 3. That's 15y over 3. That's 5y. And of course, that's 15 over 3 again. That will also be 5. So next thing to do is put the x and y terms together. So to put the 3x with the y, making it positive, we shall add 3x to both sides. So we'll have here negative 3x plus 3x. That's the left side. The right side, we have 5y plus 5. We add 3x also. There. And so we will have now the left side 0. And this is 5y plus 5 plus 3x there. Now, we have to make that positive 5 there go to the other side, okay? Because we now have the x and y terms together. Now, that number 5 should not be there. And we can move that to the other side by way of subtraction. So the next line will be subtract 5. 0 minus 5 is equal to 5y plus 5 plus 3x. We will also do the minus 5 here. There. And so the next line will just be 0 minus 5 is just negative 5. Right side is now just 5y plus 3x. Or we can rewrite that so that x comes first. 3x plus 5y. There. The number 5s are not there anymore because it cancels out to 0. 5 minus 5. This one and this one. Now, the standard form should be ax plus by. So it will be at the left side. So that means you have to rearrange this so that exchange places. That should go to the left side. 3x plus 5y is equal to negative 5 there. And this is now the answer standard form of the equation of the line there. 3x plus 5y equals negative 5. And we can verify the answer on the other side. Okay? 3x plus 5y equals negative 5. We shall see the other screen and verify the answer. 3x plus 5y equals negative 5. There, that's the answer. And let's do the next one, number 5 example. Write the standard form, the equation of each line given the slope and y-intercept. Now, given slope and y-intercept, that means we shall write the equation first using the slope and using the y-intercept. Okay, so that will be the starting solution. So let's go to our working screen. There, this is now number 5. Okay, number 5. So for number 5, we write the given. Okay, number 5. The given are m is equal to negative 2 and b is equal to positive 2. Okay, that's the given on the other screen. So we shall write the solution here. Okay, solution. To write the standard form, that's ax plus by equals c. This is the form, okay, standard form. So to start with the solution, we shall be able to use the slope-intercept form first. Okay, remember, this form here is the required, okay? This is the standard. What we can do and start with is the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is like this. There, this is the slope-intercept form. There, slope-intercept form. And so we can start with y, and then direct substitution. We shall put on, in place of m, the negative 2, and then write the x, and then the positive 2 for the b. There. So this is now the slope-intercept form, which we can transform to the standard form. So what you need to do here is just move the negative 2x to the other side, and we're done. Okay? So to get the standard form, we shall add 2x to the right and to the left. So we start with plus 2x plus y is equal to negative 2x plus 2 plus 2x. There, we added 2x to both sides. And you see, this will cancel out with this one, making the right side only number 2. Now, what happens to the other side? The other side is, of course, 2x plus y. You can omit the plus sign. Okay, without the plus sign, it's understood positive. And you always maintain the x term with a positive sign. And the right side is just 2 there. So this should be the standard form, which is the answer. There, 2x plus y equals 2. And we can verify this answer on the other side. Okay, what's the answer? 2x plus y equals 2. That's the required answer. All right, so we shall proceed with the next number. That should be number 6. Here's number 6. Write the standard form, given slope and y-intercept. So we have the slope 1, y-intercept negative 3. We shall attempt to do the solution on the whiteboard. So we go into the whiteboard and copy the problem. We shall erase number 5. And here is number 6. Okay, let me get the given first. Let me see the given. That's 1 for slope, negative 3 for y-intercept. Okay, so 1 and negative 3. So this is 1 and negative 3. There. That's the given. The slope is 1. The y-intercept b is negative 3. And we shall put this in the formula for the slope-intercept form. This is the slope-intercept form. Okay. This is the slope-intercept form. Okay. Now, we shall be able to write the solution over here. Now, direct substitution. Y equals mx means 1x, or 1 times x. Like that. Plus -3. Then we simplify. This will just appear y equals 1x is simply x. And then plus -3 becomes -3. There. And so a little algebra here will make our equation in standard form. So we will just put x and y together by putting the y. You see, this is already positive. So instead of moving the x to the other side, we shall move the y. Because if we transfer the x to the other side, that will become negative. And we always do the x term positive. So we shall move the y instead. So we're going to do for the next line. We're going to do in the next line is y. That's the left side. We subtract the y. And then the right side is x -3. We also subtract the y. There. And so next, left side is 0. Right side is x -3 minus y. So the x and y are both on one side. We shall just move that number, -3, to the other side by way of addition. So we now have 0 plus 3 equals x -3 minus y, and we add 3 there. And so what happens next will be 0 plus 3, which is 3. And the right side is just x minus y there. Because the -3 and the 3 cancels out to 0. And we now have 3 is equal to x minus y. And now we will just exchange positions here. Left side is x minus y. And we have that +3. So we have the answer now. And this is what you call the standard form. There. X minus y equals 3. That's our answer. And we shall verify the answer on the other side. X minus y equals 3. Is that the answer? Yes. X minus y equals 3 is the answer. We shall continue this up to number 8. Okay. So we still have 2 more examples. This is number 7. Slope is 1. Y-intercept is 2. Write in standard form. Okay. Going back to the other screen. The given are slope 1. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 for number 7. So the given for number 7, the given are m is equal to 1, and the y-intercept is equal to 2. There. Okay, so we shall start with the solution using the y-intercept form. Call that slope-intercept form. Yeah. This is mx plus b. Start with y. This is now 1x plus 2. And we shall have this like y is equal to x plus 2. Now, x again is positive. So we shall just move the y again. So this is y minus y. And we have x plus 2 minus y. And the left side becomes 0. Right side is the same, x plus 2 minus y. Now, that number 2 should go to the other side. And x and y terms are together. We can do that by way of subtraction. So 0 minus 2, x plus 2 minus y. We subtract 2. There. And the left side is -2. 0 minus 2 is -2. And the right side, we will just be like x minus y. The 2 and the negative 2 cancels out already. This 2 here and this 2 here cancels out to 0. So we're almost done. We will just exchange places and we will have the standard form. Left side becomes x minus y. Right side is the negative 2. And this is now the standard form there. Okay, so we shall see the answer on the other side. Let's check. Okay, what should be it? X minus y equals negative 2. That's our answer. Okay. Last number, number 8. Okay, this is the last number. The slope is 7 over 5. Y-intercept is negative 3. Okay, for our last example, we have a slope 7 over 5 and our y-intercept negative 3. So we shall do this in the other side. That should be on the whiteboard. Okay, remove number 7. We shall do number 8 here. Okay, here's number 8. Given we have the slope equal to, how much is that? 7 over 5? 7 over 5. And our y-intercept is, how much is that? Negative 3? Negative 3. Let me extend this. Negative 3, there. Okay, let me just verify. 7 over 5, b is negative 3. Okay, let me go back to the screen. Okay, this is the whiteboard screen, negative 3. All right, we shall continue here. Okay, this is the solution. And we shall start with the slope-intercept form. Our solution will be y is equal to 7 over 5x, 7 over 5 x, there, plus negative 3, plus the negative 3, there. And so we can simplify this. Y is equal to 7x over 5. 7x over 5. Remember, when you multiply the x with 7 over 5, it will be going to the 7, to the numerator. So you can write it this way. It looks better and it's more clearer. Now, plus negative 3 is a minus 3. Now, to start with, we shall get rid of the fraction 7 over 5 by way of multiplying it by the number 5. So 5 times y for the left side, and then 5 times the quantity 7x over 5 minus 3. And the next line will be 5 times y is 5y. And then when we distribute the 5 to the contents of the parentheses, the 5 cancels out with the other 5. We'll only have 7x. And then 5 times negative 3 is a negative 15. There. And we're almost done. We'll just put the x term and the y term together. Okay, and as you can see here, the 7 is positive. So we shall not move that, because if we move that, that will become negative. Instead, we will do the y term going to the x term. So we will start by subtraction. 5y minus 5y. That's the left side. The right side is 7x minus 15. We also do the subtract there. And so the left side becomes 0. Right side is 7x minus 15 minus 5y. Now we just move that negative 15 on the other side. Okay, the 7x and the 5y are now together. So we will do that by way of addition. 0 plus 15. We have 7x minus 15 minus 5y. We will also add 15. There. So the left side is now 0 plus 15. That would only be 15. And the right side is now just 7x minus 5y. No more number 15s there, because this will cancel out. And so we're almost done. We'll only have to swap, okay? Exchange. That 7x minus 5y goes to the left side. That will be the appropriate appearance for the standard form. 7x minus 5y is equal to 15. And that's the answer. That's the standard form. 7x minus 5y, that should be equals. Let me change this. This is equals. There. 7x minus 5y equals 15. That's the standard form. All right, so this will be verified going to the other screen. 7x minus 5y equals 15. There. Okay, that's the answer. And we're done discussing the standard form of linear equation. Okay, this will be all for this session. Bye-bye. And thanks for watching. And thanks for learning.